Yeah, here we are again. For those of you that want to do stew, maybe you don't have money for stew, you don't have money to buy some ingredient for you to make it delicious as you think you can make it. There's another way you can also do it that is also delicious, also proteinous to the system. Yeah, that is the reason I'm bringing this to the table to the public for you to see it. You don't have to panic. Oh my god, this is weekend. How am I gonna do? This is Christmas. How am I gonna do this? What am I going to prepare for my family, for my children, for my neighbors? This is just simple. You have to see this. Once you have your fishes, if you don't have enough, you can use just a single fish. You have your fresh tomato, you have your egg, you have your onion, and the rest of the vegetables. Yeah, you can do this to eat your white rice also. You can prepare this to eat your potato chips, your yam, your white rice, and your plantain chips or the plantain itself or whatsoever you want to use this. This a good sauce that is so good and proteinous. You don't have to wait for big amount of money so you can go and shut down the market and buy things to make your stew or to make things for yourself. You can also use this one. It's so good. You have to try this at home. It's so delicious. I bet you if you try this, you're not gonna stay back. You like doing it always and always. Let's see it together. How do you see it? It looks delicious, right? Yeah. So now subscribe to this channel to see my notification. Be able to see my notification each time I drop a video.